Hi guys, how are you doing today? Hope you feeling good. Today I'm gonna explain what is the front end and the back end and the difference between them. And before we start the lesson, don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on the ring button and like this video. And let's start the lesson. First, what is the front end? Front-end web development, also known as client-side development, is the practice of producing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a website or web application so that a user can see and interact with them directly. The challenge associated with the front-end development is that the tools and techniques used to create the front end of a website change constantly, and so the developer needs to constantly be aware of how the field is developing. The objective of designing a site is to ensure that when the users open up the site, they see the information in a format that is easy to read and relevant. This is further complicated by the fact that users now use a large variety of devices with varying screen sizes and resolutions, thus forcing the designer to take into consideration this aspect is when designing the site. They need to ensure that their site comes up correctly different browsers, cross browsers, different operating system, cross platform, and different devices cross device, which requires careful planning on the side of the developer. And second, what is the backend? Backend development refers to the server-side development. It focuses on database scripting, website architecture. It contains behind-the-scene activities that occurs when performing any action on a website. It can be an account logging or making a purchase from an online store. Code written by back-end developers helps browsers to communicate with database information. And here we finished our lesson. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much.